let you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you
guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett. And y'all, we just gonna jump into it today. This is part 2 to the Ross for Less bedding haul. Now in this video we're going to remake my bed and we're gonna make it a little Valentine-ish up in here. Alright y'all, so get ready. It's not gonna be much talking, it's gonna be time lapse. The video probably gonna go a little fast. And yeah, we're just gonna get to it. So let's go.
My mind. My mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have trouble me. Starting to give up my pain. Starting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my love. I really need my love, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, style, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, style, and jewelry, and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still call me? Still be loving me?
I really need my love. I need to free my love. I really need time now. I need to free my mind out. I really need time now. I need to free my love. I really need time now. Oh, yeah. Just let me free and let me open mind. Farther than the eyes can handle. Free and let me open now. Yeah. Just set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. My mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have trouble me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I I really need my now, yeah.
Alright guys, I have the finished touchings and I absolutely love it. It's cute, it's different. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the look. Alright, so here goes. Alright guys, this is what we came up with. This is how it turned out. It's not perfect, but yeah, y'all get the picture. I absolutely love it. It's super cute. I love the decorative pillows, and I even love the little banner. Y'all almost forgot to put that little banner up, yeah, because I actually should have put that up first. But yeah, here's the look. Pillows, I kept the black. If y'all see, like some of the throw, the plushes coming out, I see like little white cotton balls on my comforter, so that must kind of like, I don't know, shed a little. But yeah, I like it. I hope you guys like it. I wish I don't know, sheets, they're a little wrinkled, but it's gonna do. Shoot, I'm gonna sleep on them things, they'll get unwrinkled. But here's the look. And like the pillows, they're not perfect because the silk pillows, they're kind of like sliding, like the sheets making them slide, so that's the best I can get them to stay up. But this the look, y'all. Hope y'all like it. Alright guys, that concludes this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And y'all, it's going to be a very loving month. I absolutely love the way the bed came out. So I'm super excited because I love Valentine's Day. It's my second favorite holiday. And I just love. So I want it to always be centered around me. Yeah, anyway, we about to conclude this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think. Do you like it? Like, what y'all thinking? All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETT.